Bonfire night could trigger potentially fatal asthma attacks, charity warns. Bonfire night could trigger potentially deadly asthma attacks for millions of sufferers, experts have warned. Smoke and fumes from the fireworks and burning would linger in the air and create localized pollution as people gather to watch the displays and the burning of Guy Fawkes. Fumes that lingers from fireworks could trigger a deadly asthma attack, experts warned. Asthma UK said 2/3 of asthma sufferers say poor air quality makes their symptoms worse. Meaning bonfire night could trigger attacks for the 4 million asthma sufferers in the UK. The charity warned that the smoke from bonfires coupled with cold and wet weather, which could also trigger asthma symptoms, could be a deadly combination. The warning comes after weather forecasts predict that temperatures could drop below zero in some parts of the country at the weekend. Dr. Andy Whittemore, Asthma UK's in-house GP, advised people to have their blue inhaler on them at all times. Asthma sufferers going to bonfire night celebrations are advised to keep their blue inhaler on them at all times. Lots of people love the excitement of bonfire night, but for some people with asthma it could be deadly, he said. We don't want people with asthma to miss out, but we want them to be safe and aware of the increased risk this bonfire night when pollution will be higher than normal. We are urging people with asthma, or parents of children with asthma, to make sure they have their reliever inhaler with them. And want people's friends and family to know what to do if their asthma symptoms suddenly get worse. Each day in the UK 3 people die from asthma attacks, according to the charity. Dig out your gloves and woolly hats for the fireworks, with a chilly evening forecast on Guy Fawkes night. Smoke from burning wood coupled with cold autumn air could be a deadly combination, according to Asthma UK. An attack happens when a person's airways start to tighten, which can leave them coughing, wheezing and gasping for breath. Some people with asthma describe having an attack as feeling like someone is holding a pillow over their face.